Do you know what is the most expensive word in investing? It's free. Free brokerage, free tips, and lifetime free accounts. So brokers often shouts out zero brokerage, advisor promises, free tips, and apps draw your attention with a lifetime free accounts. But here is the hidden truth. Zero brokerage doesn't mean zero cost. Buy 100 shares at 100.10, sell at 99.90. That free trade just cost you ₹20 in spreads. Same with the free advice. They are often loaded with commissions. A 1% higher expense ratio on your SIP for 30 years could mean lakhs lost. Free is never free. In finance, the asterisk is where the real cost hides. Remember, free is equal to costly. Trust, but always verify and ask questions. The 13th Rupee is all about breaking myths and making investing simplifies. Make sure you follow and hit that subscribe button.